guys, what is up? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can overclock your monitor using the NVIDIA control panel. But before we do that, I'm going to give you 5.4 seconds to go down there, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like the video. Have you done that? Good. Let's get into the video. So, welcome to the video. Now, obviously, as I said before the intro, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to overclock a monitor using the NVIDIA control panel. So what you want to do is right-click anywhere where there's clean space here and click NVIDIA control panel. We have gotten to the NVIDIA control panel. Now, you want to go down to display, and you want to hit change resolution, okay? Now, I've already got mine set here. It's originally a 60 Hz panel at 720p. But what I've done is I've created one that's pushed up to 75 Hertz. And, well, the way I've done this is I've gone to customize. And then when I've hit create custom resolution, and then you select your resolution here by putting in the resolution you want. And then you put in the refresh rate you want and the color depth. Now, this part here doesn't really matter. It should be fine. It should do that automatically, but obviously if you know stuff about this, then you can go and change that as well. But, yeah, you want to leave that, and then you want to click test. When you click test, it says duplicate resolution. I'm not going to, but as soon as you hit test, it should do a test. So we're going to hit OK. So if we go down to here and maybe apply, so it goes, the monitor is changed, and there we go. I don't want to keep those change settings, so I'll click no, and then you can click on here, and as soon as you go on that, you can hit apply, and it applies it. So yeah, guys, that's a really simple way to overclock your monitor. You can also overclock your what resolution it's in and stuff. Personally, I don't think it looks that great when you make the resolution better. Like, I can try and customize here and create a custom resolution and make it 1920 by 1080, and I'm pretty sure this shouldn't work. It might, but test, and as you can see, it's pretty blurry, but test successful. It's 75 Hertz. Okay, and now we want to go back and click OK, and then you want to hit this one that you've just created in custom and hit apply, and then yes. Maybe if I do this, now it just looks very blurry, so I'm just going to go back to this. It actually managed to get an overclock of, I think that's 79, so yeah, obviously you can, I would recommend not going much higher than this on a 60 Hz panel, but if you got 120, you can go up to 144, if you got 165, go up to 180, and if you got 180, maybe go up to 200, maybe 240, but the chances of it really hitting that, it would probably be a 200 Hz panel rather than 180, so yeah. That's just a really simple way to change the resolution and or refresh rate by overclocking your monitor through NVIDIA control panel. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all next time. So yeah, bye.
I know what you fantasize about.